guys, what's up, and welcome back to the vlog, or welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I'm kind of in a different setting that you guys are probably not used to seeing. I'm in my new suite. I have not done a tour or anything of this suite. Yeah, so welcome back to the vlog. It has been a little minute, but I kind of wanted to get on here and do a different type of vlog. It'll kind of be a come to work with me, day in my life type of vlog, as you can see in the title. I thought this would be fun, bring you guys to work with me so you can kind of see how a day-to-day goes. Right now it is about 9:08. My first person comes in at 10. On Tuesdays I typically start at 10, so I'm here. I like to get here at least 30 minutes to an hour ahead of time, typically an hour, so it gives me time to prepare, get together, chill for a second before my first person gets here, and allows me to get started with my day. So I just kind of wanted to bring you guys along with me, and I also wanted to give you a tour of my new suite. I think I gave you guys a tour of my last suite. I have no idea, or maybe it was in a vlog or something, like a small tour, but this is kind of official tour of my newer suite. So this is basically my wax room right here, but yeah, I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of the new suite. So this is going to be a vlog style. It's not going to be like just a tour of the new suite. It will be, but it's more of like a vlog style, if you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm glad to be doing this video. I'm excited to show you guys my new suite. I've been in here for about, I moved in here September, like 2 months now, 2.5 months, September, October, November, yeah, about 2 months, and I have been loving it. It's definitely an upgrade from my previous suite. Like, I loved my previous suite, but my business has grown and expanded, by the grace of God. I'm very thankful and I'm very grateful for that. So I needed a new space, so that's what I did, and that's what I'm going to show y'all. And also I'm going to kind of be just vlogging me getting ready for the day. So I'm about to just start preparing for my first clients. These are my wax pots over here. They're on. I'm about to start preparing for the day, and I'm just going to bring y'all along for the day. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Not subscribe to this video, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell so you're notified whenever I make any new videos. I'm still working on that consistency, y'all. I'm still working, but it's hard when you're trying to run a business and you're a solo esthetician. Oh, and that's another thing. If you guys did not know, I am a solo esthetician as of right now. I have been in the works of maybe expanding my team, because your girl, I'm busy. I am busy all the time. I'm booked and busy. I thank God, but your girl be busy. So it'd be hard to get on here and do these videos like this, but I'm doing it. I'm doing it when I can, but we got it. We got it. So anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna get this day started. guys, so I'm about to just give you guys a little mini tour of my new suite. So yeah, just stay tuned. All right, so here we are in the front of my door. Little map says this is our happy place, which it is. We come here to get happy. So this is my door. Got this little wreath on here, and here it is. So I'm gonna walk in, and so this is the waiting room. This is where people come in and they wait until their appointment. So yeah, just kind of really homey and cozy. People love it in here. We finally put our tree up. I just had to. So if you guys can remember, this is my same tree I had in my apartment. I don't know if you guys remember, but yes, in one of my previous videos where I said decorate my tree with me. So yes, this is the same tree. So I just decided to rehome it here. And then there you have this little area right here. So yeah, just decor and everything. So yep, this is the waiting room right here. And so we walk on through here. And this is where the rest of the suites are. Let me turn this light on for you guys. So yeah, so I said I definitely upgraded to like 4 to 5 rooms. I say 5 because this is my receptionist area. I'm still working on this area, and disregard this hideous carpet, you guys. I'm working on trying to get this pulled up and new flooring. But yeah, that's a whole nother thing. This is gonna be my receptionist area. I'm still working on this area, as you can see. So we have a microwave and all that stuff. I gotta throw that steamer away because it's no longer working. I've had to throw away 3 of them, so I'm just slowly getting rid of them. Kitchen counter area, a little mini refrigerator. Yeah, so it's not all that cute in here. Like I said, I'm still working on it. That area right there was the previous person where they had a TV mounted. So I'm going to put a TV mount up here so we can have kind of like a chill area. But yep, this is just like a little resting area where I chill. I have my desk here, and then that's like a storage closet. But yeah, we are still working on this area. So the first room right here is, this is my post-op care, because I do post-op massages for like post-surgery. If you've had any surgeries or anything like that, cosmetic surgery, lipo, tummy tuck, BBLs, I do all of that in here. But this room is actually about to get rented out by someone else, so I'm having another tenant come in here. So all this stuff will be moved to my suite. But yeah, I do body sculpting services and post-op care in here. Alrighty, so now this is my main room. This is where you guys saw me getting ready for the day. This is my main room right here. This is where I work. I have all of my stuff. I got all my stuff set up for my first person today. So we are getting ready for that. The paper out, steamer, towel warmer, everything is on. This is my little area where I check people out. This is where my water and my coffee. But yeah, my iPad is playing. And this is me in the mirror. I have this heater here because our heat has not been reconnected yet. So I have somebody coming tomorrow to reconnect the heat, and we will have heat in here. So yeah, but it hadn't been bad so far. Like, it's just now getting cold. But yeah, this is my room. This is the main room that I work in. I do all my services out of. So we come around here and go to this hallway. I'm just gonna let y'all peek in this room. This is my sister's last room. I'm not really gonna turn around because we're still working on her room as well. Alrighty, and this is the Yanni steam room. Still working on this room as well. I have one Yanni steam chair as of now. I want to get another one right here. We have our Yanni Queen light. But yeah, we're still working on this room. All of my herbs and stuff are right there. Pictures. So yeah, we are still getting this room together. I actually need to turn this stuff on because I actually have a Yanni steam today. Now that I'm thinking about it. I don't even really need to turn those on right now. I will. But yeah, this is the Yoni steam room. Like I said, I am working on getting another chair here. So I have to, and I'm still looking for like some carpet or something to put in here to kind of close this room in a little bit. But we good as of now, taking stuff day by day. And then we have our restroom. Nothing too special. Got our candle going. And it says powder room. So yeah, and then we have a back door here where I kind of take out the trash and everything. But yeah, guys, that is the suite. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little tour. I know it wasn't much, and it's like a different kind of vlog, but I'll be kind of filming pieces throughout the day or whatnot. Like I said, I'm still waiting on my first person. Well, they're not coming till 10, so that's fine. Or actually 10:15. I just looked at my books. But I just use this time after I've gotten ready to finish getting my wax ready. I'll read my devotion for the morning, answer any text calls, chill, and then get started when they get here. So we have our internet man coming today to get us some Wi-Fi going in here so I can use my smart plugs and use this camera, this front door camera. So I'm excited about that. So he's going to be here anywhere between 10 and 12. So I'll be looking out for him. And yeah, so I'll just be bringing you guys along with me for the day. Hey guys, so I was so sorry I did not end the vlog yesterday. I don't know what I was doing or what I got caught up with. I guess I got caught up in a day. I just got busy, and like I said, I get busy and I'm like back to back to back to back. So I just be trying to figure out like, or think about getting these people in and out, and I guess I forgot. And when I try to get out of here, I'm trying to get out of here. But today is the next day. It is Wednesday. It's my later day, so I came in at 1 instead of 10 today, and I leave around 7 typically. So it is about 6:08 right now. I'm waiting on my next my next person is here. Let me go get her. Okay, sorry guys, my client had just walked in. She is in the bathroom, but yeah, it is, I was saying it was 6:08. It's 6:10. I typically leave around 7, so I think I have like 3 more people after her, and I will be done for the night. I'm kind of tired today. I got my booster yesterday, and my arm is so sore, and I'm tired. Like, I've been fatigued. So yeah, I'm gonna finish her up, and we gonna be out of here for the night.